Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So today we are going to Corgi Con, or I guess in SoCal they call it Corgi Beach Day, I think. Yeah, okay, but I'm with Aaron, my mentor, Victoria, and Brian. And we're in the drive-thru right now because we're getting Taco Bell. We're all kind of hungry. We just got to Huntington Beach. Yeah, but super excited because on the drive here, or when we were finding parking, we saw a lot of corgis. And I love corgis.
Girl, it's corgi con.
I know, but like, some people don't bring corgis sometimes.
It's a corgi.
They just bring their dogs sometimes and they're not even cute. Yeah, but super excited and it's so beautiful here.
Wait, who am
like, boy, just bumped into Caitlin. Yay! Oh, and her roommate and her roommate's sister.
Appreciation. Well, it comes and it goes, but I ride that way with you. It's human nature to miss what's under your nose till you remind a fool. Maybe all of this is simple. My heart unconditional, yeah. You dress up just a little, and I'm like, oh, damn. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Yeah. And now all I see is you with fresh eyes. If I could bottle this up, bottle this up, I would bottle this up, bottle this up, I would. 'Cause you're gorgeous in each moment. If I could bottle this up, I would. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine.
We're leaving beach day now.
Subscribe.
Yeah, but it was really fun. Yeah, but I'm really glad that we were able to come out and it was so cool. I got to bump into 2 people from back at home. Bye! Bye-bye!